Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to file a 1065 tax form. Form 1065, U.S. Return of Partnership Income, is an essential document for partnerships. It's an information return, meaning the partnership itself doesn't pay income tax. Instead, it reports the partnership's financial activity, including income, gains, losses, deductions, and credits. This information is then passed through to the individual partners. Understanding the key schedules is crucial for accurate filing. Schedule K1, Partner's Share of Income, Deductions, Credits, etc., is issued to each partner, detailing their share of the partnership's financial results. Schedule L presents the partnership's balance sheet, while Schedule M1 reconciles income or loss per books with income or loss per the tax return. These schedules provide a comprehensive financial picture. Filing on time is important to avoid penalties. For calendar year partnerships, the Form 1065 is generally due by March 15. If you need more time, you can request an extension using Form 7004, Application for Automatic Extension of Time to file certain business income tax, information, and other returns. This typically grants an additional 6 months to complete your filing. To ensure a smooth filing process, always double-check your work. Common errors include incorrect partner information on Schedule K1 and mathematical mistakes. Reconcile all accounts carefully and consider using reliable tax software. Also, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. Check the description below for a link to this and other great deals to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.